2026 BMW M2 CS power outputs will be huge. The 2026 G87 BMW M2 CS will be the most powerful M2 ever, reportedly boasting 525 horsepower. Color options are said to be once again limited to two standard colors, Brooklyn Gray and Black Sapphire Metallic, but individual options are likely. Expect a fully optioned cabin with plenty of carbon fiber and Alcantara, but not much color. Some new information has been shared on Bimmer Post by highly reliable user in Golden, who has provided accurate information in the past. The post says that the 2026 G87 BMW M2 CS will enter production in August 2025 and will be produced until July 2026. As a reminder, the outgoing F87 M2 CS arrived for the 2020 model year, so the return of the CS, competition sport, has been highly anticipated since then. Along with the anticipated production schedule, the post also includes other details about the next generation M2 CS that bring the final product into clearer focus. To no one's surprise, this will be the most powerful M2 ever, easily outmatching the current G87 model's newly increased 473 horsepower rating for 2025. If the post is accurate, the CS will debut with a peak of 525 HP. More power than the M3. As expected, the M2 CS will retain the twin-turbocharged S58 inline-6 engine, and with significantly more than 500 ponies, the S58 3.0-liter twin-turbo straight-six would deliver 2 more horses than the AWD BMW M4 competition. Unlike the long-gone F87 M2 CS, which offered a manual transmission or a dual clutch, this new model will reportedly only be available with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This may come as sad news for manual lovers, but the M2 CS is expected to retain a rear-wheel drive setup. The forum entry goes on to say that M enthusiasts can expect the M2 CS to ride on the same wheels found on CS and CSL models, and we suspect that these will feature a similar gold finish. Other leaked information includes the addition of a carbon fiber roof, and as usual, a small list of color options. Brooklyn Gray or Black Sapphire Metallic will be standard, predicts the post, but BMW individual paints will also be available for those with the deepest wallets. More hardcore interior. The interior should be upgraded similarly to the M3 CS and M4 CSL. Expect a full leather interior in either plain black or a black/red combination with an Alcantara steering wheel and standard M carbon bucket seats. BMW may decide to delete the cup holders to reduce weight, a decision we understand but don't agree with, but this is yet to be confirmed. The 2025 BMW M2 starts at $64,900, and we expect the CS to be significantly more expensive. For reference, the outgoing M2 CS boasted an $84,595 price tag, meaning the new one could be closer to $90,000. As always, dealer markups are almost guaranteed, but for a one-year-only model, the juice may be worth the squeeze.